Yo guys, Meijimbo here. It's been 4 years since I built my very first custom PC mini cake Freya, and the PC had undergone upgrades within those years, including change of case, GPU upgrade, added more storage, and many more. This year, I've decided to build a brand new PC as the old one is approaching its life expectancy and that I need a new unit to cater to the growing needs of my tasks. I have to say, I have a lot of things to thank Minicake Freya for. This was the PC that I was using during my rise in TikTok and the unit I used to work as a QA engineer. Not only that, this PC taught me a lot of things hardware and software related, which paved way to me building my brand new PC, Vane Nebula. Here's a time lapse of me building the new unit, including the parts I bought and their prices. some learnings that I got from building Vane Nebula. First and foremost, it's about the regular blade and the reverse blade fans for the case. I actually made a mistake. I bought 10 reverse blade fans from Dark Flash. I didn't consider the flow in and flow out of air versus the aesthetic of the fans. What I should have done is I should have bought 6 reverse blade fans and 4 normal blade regular blade fans. Because turns out the reverse blade fans, the front part of the reverse blade fans, that's actually the exhaust, so that's where the air is gonna come out. It's the front part of the reverse blade fans. Well, the regular blade fans, the exhaust is at the back of the fan. So if you wanted to follow the exact nice aesthetic for a 10 fan PC, so my Vane Nebula is actually a 10 fan case. The side fans and the bottom fans should be reverse blade, and the top fans and the back fans should be regular blade. The second lesson that I learned was about the RGB hub or the controller. Turns out Dark Flash doesn't have a universal hub for everything. So the mistake there was that I bought an extra DM12F, thinking that they would have a similar or a compatible RGB hub with my Infinity 24 fans from Dark Flash. Turns out it didn't. So what I did, I tried modifying the 6 pins of the Infinity 24 fans. Tried placing it on the RGB hub of DM12, and what happened? Luckily, it didn't wreck the fans. It fried the circuit board of the hub. So when I tried it on, it burned the circuit of it short circuited the RGB hub of the DM12F. So again, I had to buy another set of 3-in-1 Dark Flash fans. This time, Infinity Pro regular blades. That one was a little bit rare. I cannot find any other store selling a 3-in-1 regular blade Dark Flash Infinity 24 Pro. Dark Flash Infinity 24. So I had to like spend extra money just to make the aesthetic better. So the third learning that I got with building this PC is that there are actually RGB extension cables. I didn't know Dark Flash had RGB extension cables, which I made a different video. I made a separate video for the review of the Dark Flash Light Glow series, LG01 and LG02. You can check them out on my channel. So before, the 24 pin and the 6+2 pin of the PC was really boring to look at. It was a direct connection from the modular PSU to the motherboard and the GPU. But with the Dark Flash Light Glow series, the RGB extension cables, they look really nice now. So I'm glad that I discovered them while I was browsing Shopee, and it turned out really great. So what's gonna happen now with Minicake Freya, the old PC? I took out some of the parts and transferred it to Vane Nebula, which is my two additional storage, and the GPU, which is 3060 Ti. What I did is I bought a new GPU from Isurix. Actually, I had a problem with them. I bought a 1660 Super with them, but they sent me an AMD RX 580. They are the same price, but like, I haven't really tried an AMD GPU, so that kind of like disappointed me, but it is what it is. I mean, they have the same price. So I placed the brand new GPU in here, and it works. Unfortunately, it works. I reformatted the PC in such a way that it will delete all files inside the PC, but would retain the Windows 11 operating system with its serial key. So basically, the PC is now back to its pristine virgin state, ready to be used by anyone who would be getting the old PC. Valorant has already been tested here. It's running at 270 FPS with nothing else being run on the background. So if you still plan on like streaming or using this unit for streaming and gaming, I believe you can still achieve 120 to 160 FPS with Valorant while streaming to whichever platform you want, TikTok, Twitch, YouTube. You can also use this for editing and stuff. So yeah, I plan to sell this PC for around 25 to 30k from its original price of somewhere around 60 to 65k when I originally built this. Bilog or Circle, my dedicated mod and editor has already claimed dibs on the PC because I'm offering it for a 12-month installment. They can pay me every month for the PC. The problem is I don't know how we are gonna send this PC because the box was already burned because it's been what 4 years since that box existed, and I think our maid kind of like burned it by accident. So I don't know how I would store this and send it to a far place like Sorsogon. So if Bilog is not able to claim this by the end of the month, I would have to find another buyer within Camarines Norte territory to sell this unit, my beloved mini cake Freya. So yeah, and that would be it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. What do you think of my Vane Nebula? Is she beautiful? Performance-wise, it's really good. I've already stress tested it. So yeah, like, share, and subscribe. Check out my other socials as well. And with that said, Happy New Year, guys, and I'll see you on 2025. Bye, guys.